Dancehall is Vibes Kartel and Mavado. Yeah, man. The era of dancehall between Vibes Kartel and Mavado is dancehall. Was dancehall and is still dancehall. Yeah, because I don't remember the Alkaline exists.
You did who? All of them a call up me name forget the eye. Me nah give them no eye. They're going dead for hungry.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
The internet them run with, bro. Yo, people are going, they don't know a Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. A bag of thing are going. You don't know a time, you know. Yeah, man. I just a bag of chatting and thing, you see it, but we'll go here with that brother, you say.
Some say Mavado drop him song. Bad piece of song. Bad song. Mr. Kartel drop him song. Bad song. Panic. Yeah, man. I love that song there. I love that song there, man. Yeah, man. I love that song there. Love Vibes Kartel song. And I love Mavado song. When Mavado drop him song yesterday, see? And when Vibes Kartel drop him song yesterday, you see Vibes Kartel and Mavado, seriously, Vibes Kartel and Mavado is dancehall. Yes, when Vibes Kartel drop him song yesterday, and yes, when Mavado drop him song yesterday, I swear to you, I did not remember say Masicka still around. Me never remember say Alkaline still around. I didn't remember say none of the younger generation them still around. I swear to you.
Yo, people. Well, sometimes them money talk, you know. You see, all the way I go and believe it to preach. You see me? Because, brother, I be a internet them I run with, dog. To be honest, be a internet them I run with. 2-man drop song per one day. Oh, them is dancehall. Them is dancehall. Everybody around with the hype. Everybody one rhythm. All of them something there. Saga. Cause you know them money stay already, you know. You know them call Alkaline and everything. You understand? Just to make them artists look feel bigger. Them can't talk about them artists, you know. Them can't talk about them artist music without bringing up Alkaline and that. You see me I say? Because at the end of the day, you know, brother, hype on run with, you know. You see me? I just hype on run with. But you don't know them things they're not to survive too long. Just to the moment. You see it? Things are going to change. You see me?
Vibes Kartel and Mavado is the complete package of dancehall. Me not even tell no lie. If Mavado for continue a drop song on a consistent basis and Vibes Kartel a drop song as how he's dropping now, I swear to you, you're not even going to remember say Alkaline they bout, Masicka they bout, or none of these younger generation they were. No serious. No serious.
I hope you had popcorn to that, you know. Because I realize who and who no artist link, who no not call out them artists there. Or the artists them wanna link with your artist, you go call out and try to belittle them thing. But who don't know internet thing na run with, you know, music we are dealing don't. Yeah, man. Just a bag of chatting on the internet. Is it and bag of hype song and all them little thing. But that now go too far, dog. Just go and enjoy a little moment. You see it? Yeah, man.
Serious enough. Yo, dancehall is Vibes Kartel. Dancehall is Mavado. No joke. If Mavado for consistency, see? To be on a consistent level, just a drop song, and Vibes Kartel. Yo, you remember when Vibes Kartel and Mavado drop song and people could have hardly boss? I swear to you. And this is why me I tell you, dog. Say, you see Masicka, just take my foolish advice, which is a wise advice. You have to clash Alkaline, brethren. You have to clash Alkaline. Serious. Alkaline have to clash Masicka. Serious. Bro, if them two then a clash, them are going to last in the system if Mavado consistently dropping song, you know, and Vibes Kartel consistently dropping. Them not going to remember say Alkaline and Masicka they both. I swear to you.
Brother, but you know no sense. Back then when Mavado and Kartel do it, brother, it was a beef. Controversy was a war thing. The man them not really a beef like how them usually beef back then. So that different, bro. 2-man a drop song, brother. Like artists out there drop song, dog. Like, come on, brother. You not talk about some little internet thing, internet chatting and controversy. I feel like say, yo, brother, people out there listen to artists, different artists. Remember, you know, brother, we not talk about right now, you know, just in a little dancehall space right now and lick like the diaspora, you know, bro. Outside of that, brother, nobody now meds none of this, bro. You understand? Only now look a small word that chat some look internet thing. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, brother, Alka do way do. You see me? Alka I start out him album for job. Alkaline meds on dog. You see me? You just do what him have to do. I do what him do. If a man want to drop them song or whatever, that not have nothing to do with Alkaline, bro. You see me? It not have nothing to do with Alkaline. Cause at the end of the day, you know, bro, hype on run down, you know. That's the difference, you know, dog. Hype on run down. You see, Alkaline run down hype, dog. The man ain't do social media. You see me? So, I own alone around with this hype thing. You see it? But you can last in the sauce same way.
Let's not even talk about these younger generation. Rotted. No joking. Yo. I yesterday me I look on it and I say, yo, I don't even remember say Masicka the boat. I don't even remember say Alkaline the boat. No sir. And this is where I want all of the gully fans them for wake up now, man. When I sleep too long, man. When I wake up. Yo, when I wake up, man. You see me? A long time I tell them the sound for wake up, you know. Wake up. Big up Mavado still. Big up, hey, you know what the next thing? Hey, Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer. Me never see one man so corrupt. So Mavado drop him songs, eh? Mavado drop him song. And you get and just to see Bounty Killer I try for true a word towards Vibes Kartel. When Mavado said then done, then dead already in the song. You want to see Bounty Killer at the most way. Then you see how you reply to him and Bounty Killer right sinking. Yo, you see when you see that? Me have to say to myself, say, yo, I saw Bounty Killer did immature for a big man. No, sir.
You look like the sinking getting in your feelings. That go on, yes. Sinking getting in your feelings, no.
I have to say to myself, say, yo, I saw Bounty Killer did immature for a big man. Him a right sinking. And when the Bounty Killer knows say, Gaza can't sink. No, sir. Gaza, yo, 2 weeks ago, see? 2 weeks ago.
People, here what am I going to say after this? Because you see them man, yeah? I just a bag of internet thing them run with, seeing? A bag of capping. And him even go expose the Gaza thing himself. And him don't even know what him do. Here what go on.
5 of my virgin them a run come back over Gaza. You know which part of my run come from? Eh? Guess which part of my run come from? Over Alkaline side. You see when Vibes Kartel drop the SYM song? You want to say, yo, the man never say, yo, Prince, me I come back over Gaza side. I say, yo, me don't want to know over your virgin. Let's stay over there, so. No, dog, over here, so we come back. 5 of them come back, you know. 5 of them came back to the Gaza. 5. And Bounty Killer say.
So wait there. So if 5 of them come back to the Gaza, it shows a Gaza fan no loyal then. Where them nothing now go on with them artists, so them try to be a vendetta fan. And then now when them see things are going on the media. Cause this sound like when Kartel fought from prison or something or when him did their prison. Them is a Alkaline fan. And then now through the little hype and everything are going on now. Cause I tell you, you know, people, that if I true my talk, but the reason me I go talk about this is because a lot of these people are not genuinely fans. Them just a fan of the moment, like the hype and all of them little things. You see me? I saw them work. Well, hot at the moment, I hit them I go run and forward. Cause look here now, if I debate for forward, them would have dip on the easier side. You see me? So it shows say if you hype did their own Alka and Alka does a damn thing now. Now we look at hype their own Kartel, them run gone over Gaza thing. Show say, brother, them fans are not really a fan like that, brother. Them are just wagonists. You see me? I just say things like that. So I don't know why you even bring up that point because that nah make no sense, brother. It nah make no sense, dog. And worse over a song. Madness no fall on the internet and talk from.
Sinking. Gaza can't sink, man. Can't sink. Can't sink. A stronger and stronger way I get. Yeah, man. Just keep showing them things. Eh? See, if I can't buy a new machine there, eh? No, God, man, the car they look good though. Oh, God Almighty, man. The McLaren they look bad, you know. Oh, God. Boy, Vice Kartel have to go buy a house where. Vice Kartel have to go buy a house where can hold about 12 car in a one. One of them big houses where can hold about 12 car. Yo, teacher, you have to go do that, you know. Yeah, man.
Yo, I tell you something about that. No sense to the people. Yo, dog, you see, I be an internet thing. Yo, that's how I tell you that the man, the thing with the man them brag about, dog, I have to just laugh, brother. Kiara and Vanity and all of them. I tell you, brother, nah, no, do it music, bro. Them man just love see when man buy things. That are the problem. That's how them brag. Them brag about man things. And not for them things, you know. Man things. But the things say dancehall is all about the music and thing. Me never know say dancehall a buy car and all of them like a thing they know. You see it, but go and run with a little moment, you know. You see me? Yeah, cause remember, you know, I run down controversy and them little thing. You see it? Cause well focused on the music. You see it. So at the end of the day, I go and run down a little hype and a little moment, you know. Cause remember say, you know, the little controversy around music are going right now. You see it? But I saw it go still. By the time album drop, I don't know how that go.
Dancehall is Vibes Cartel and Mavado. Yeah, man. The era of dancehall between Vibes Cartel and Mavado is dancehall. Was dancehall and is still dancehall. Yeah, because I don't remember say Alkaline exists. I don't remember say Masicka exists. And I don't remember say these trap artists exist. I swear to you. No joke. So just imagine if Mavado if start drop song on a consistent level just like a Vibes Cartel. Them artists are lost, you know. Yo, God Almighty. Cartel, big up yourself. Mavado, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. So one time I sick, you know. So when I'm fall on the internet and just a vent and a chat bag of sugar, you see it? But them always say that about it's dancehall and all of them thing there. But I don't know what they mean still. Because if you feel like say one or two man can represent dancehall, I guess a back of class you did there. You understand? So through Mavado forward out and drop a little song right now. Oh, yo, he means dancehall, this and that. You see me? But Mavado don't really drop song like that, dog. So I may try to show and say just a little hype on run with you now. You see me? Because Mavado drop song last year and them little thing there, but I chose the link up going with him and Kartel make we not talk about a thing you know. And a big up. I never did a big up few years ago when Kartel they prison. I chose them link up you know and they look at hype and yeah. When I go talk about Masicka and talk about when I talk about popcorn. And I go talk about the rest of the generation them. You see it so. I don't know how to do it still because at the end of the day Kartel are the bigger artists. But every day when I try to compare look at young youths in my boss with Kartel. I don't know when I will get out of that. You see me? I don't know when I will get out of that. But I guess when I do that, it make Kartel thing look highly and mighty. Like, you see me? Like him career, like, cause if him are the bigger artist, see him supposed to do more. And all these things. So I don't know when I say about the young generation and all of them good thing there. It show me say brother, wanna what like now make it seem like say yo, Kartel a try run down something or a try do some competing or something. I saw wanna make it sound dog. You see, cause the young generation are young generation. The young generation now can compete with him with Kartel. Kartel a compete with himself, brother. You see me? He might compete with himself, fam. Cause at the end of the day, everybody will have them time when him just have to just lay back and easy and the young generation run the thing. You see me? Cause brother at this time, him just have try get where him forget where him should have getting at the 13 years when him get locked up. Simple thing. You see me? So he might compete with himself dog. Him not compete with no young generation. You see me? Cause the young youth them I compete against them peers. Not compete against Kartel, brother. You see me? Kartel a 50-year-old, him for do already. So I don't know when I always talk about young generation last and all of them thing there. How long you feel like say Kartel a go there when the young generation are the future dancer? Come like not the sense dog. You see it, but we don't want to stay already. We just run with the bag of hype and them little thing there, you see me? Yeah, I just that bro. The bag of chatting, but reality is not what it seems. Or the internet set up and all of them little thing there, you see me? Bag of thing you know hype up and but I saw it go still. You gotta have a moment of hype and then everything just die down after a while and you know? Yeah. Cause right now people right now, the only reason why I hear them a bag of chatting, I just should look at album thing. You see me? Kartel a do him thing. I try, you know. He might go release an album. So he have to do what he have to do. Release a bag of songs and for the moment till when the album drop. Him people him a buy the view, buy the song and all of them little thing, you see me? Yeah. He have to do what he have to do, you know, brother. You see me? So he have to do what he have to do, dog. Remember say the other elderly artists them like Fame Peer, them just a do what them a do. Them not really run down the hype or nothing. You see me? A Kartel I do that right now. You see it, so I just one of them thing there. Cause at the end of the day, we know all of this. This never from 2024, Kartel forward out. All of the little music and buying and all that. Them never did a buying of music or nothing. That's true. Alkaline have a drop album, and then you have Masicka after. The album thing make all of this a go on now. You see, if Alkaline never drop album, all of this wouldn't. I tell you that, people. I to look at album thing, so they might try do promotion, they might try do this. I build up the moment for the album. You see it? Yeah, man. Them even now wait for Alkaline drop film album. For drop for them after. You see it? So that's why you see them. They might try bypass it for just go and drop some song and go and wait for Alkaline album for drop, then them drop for them album. Them always do it. I see him in 2016. You see me? But don't just go and wait. Go and wait. Can I compete with myself, you know, bro? You see me? I'm not compete with myself, brother. That's all me have to tell you. You see it? I just a bag of thing on the internet to not run with. You see me? But you don't know any people. I want media facts, you know. Bless up everybody for the support. You see it? When I know what things said. Yeah, man. A one movement, man. You see me? Yeah, man. One media facts on the app. That is it.